Okay, now let's look at a feature in Illustrator called Live Paint. This is how this works. I do not have these all joined together as a complex shape. I do have them stacked in this document so that they are intersected. So they don't have to be joined in any way, but I do have to select them all at the same time. Then I go to Object, then I go down here to Live Paint and Make. And now I need to go to my Live Paint bucket, which I get at by hitting K on my keyboard, and that's what that little icon looks like there. So now if you see when I move my paint bucket into these areas, it becomes red, which means that it's actively telling me that the paintbrush, if I click on my mouse, will dump paint into that space or this space. Now, I have my swatches open, which I open from Window, and I now have my color options. I'm going to just pull this up, and let's say I want to use pink. I'm going to hover over it, click, and that's pink, click. If I want to change, I maybe click orange, and maybe I want to do orange there and there. This is a really quick way to create complex shapes that have color. Give it a test drive and become familiar with it. It's a super useful tool.